Hello. If you're watching this video, you probably already understand something important. Training isn't just about going to the gym. It's about measuring progress. You can train for months. You can lift heavier. You can feel like you're improving. But if you don't track it, you can't analyze it. This is GymFy. And no, it's not just another Excel spreadsheet. GymFy is a structured training tracking system designed to turn discipline into data and data into decisions. When you download GymFy, you'll receive a compressed folder called gymfy.zip. Inside, you'll find two language folders, English and Spanish. Within each language folder, you'll find a quick guide, a video tutorial, the Microsoft Excel version, the Google Spreadsheets version, and the disclaimer and terms of use. Everything is organized so you can choose your language and platform and start immediately. In this video, I'll show you how to use the file properly, step by step, from the initial setup to full performance analysis. GymFy is organized into 6 main sheets: workout, calendar, dashboard, settings, links, and how to use. The logical order of use is simple. First settings, then workout, then review your progress inside calendar, and finally analyze everything in the dashboard. If you follow this flow, the system works exactly as intended. Now let's start where everything begins, inside the settings sheet. Before logging any training session, this is where you define how your system will operate. The muscle groups are predefined and cannot be modified. This ensures consistency across the calendar and dashboard analysis. What you can customize is the exercises assigned to each muscle group, which exercises are active and available in the drop-down lists. Each muscle group supports up to 30 different exercises, giving you full flexibility without compromising structure. It's important to configure your exercises correctly from the beginning. Changing exercise names later may impact how historical data is segmented and displayed in charts. Once your exercise list is properly set and activated, the system is ready to start tracking your progress. Now that the structure is set, let's move to the sheet you'll use every single day, the workout sheet. Each row represents a real action. You only complete the editable cells, date, muscle group, exercise, sets, reps, weight, distance for cardio, and optional notes. Total volume is calculated automatically, and so is the estimated 1RM. The estimated 1RM is a mathematical approximation of the maximum weight you could lift for a single repetition, calculated based on the weight and reps you log. If you perform the same exercise with different weights during the same session, you record them in separate rows. This ensures accurate analysis. Every time you log data here, both calendar and dashboard update automatically. Once you start entering data, it's time to see how it looks visually. So let's move to the calendar. Once data is entered, the calendar sheet becomes your monthly overview. You can select month and year, define a weekly target, and visualize 6 complete weeks at once. The system shows the days you trained, the muscle groups worked, weekly target achievement, and training distribution across 6-week blocks. Calendar turns tracking into awareness. It helps you quickly detect patterns, consistency, irregularity, or high-intensity periods. Now that you've seen your monthly structure, let's move to the most analytical part of the system, the dashboard. With data loaded, we move to analysis. GymFy divides performance analysis into 4 sections. First, the general section. Here you can see training days, total monthly volume, cumulative average, most trained muscle group, and real weekly frequency. Next, the muscle group section. This section helps prevent imbalance. You can analyze total volume per muscle group, number of sessions, most demanding exercise, and 6-week evolution. If one muscle group is falling behind, you'll see it immediately. Then we move to the exercise section. This is where individual progress becomes clear. You can view the last 10 sessions, volume progression, estimated 1RM evolution, and per historical personal record. If your estimated 1RM trends upward over time, your strength is improving. And finally, the cardio section. The system also integrates cardiovascular work. You can analyze number of sessions, total monthly distance, and average distance per session, all without interfering with strength analysis. If at any point you need guidance, you can always check the How to Use sheet. The file includes a How to Use sheet with detailed instructions and best practices. Formulas are protected. The structure is designed for long-term reliability. If you respect the system logic and use each sheet as intended, GymFy works with precision. GymFy is not just a spreadsheet to log exercises, it's a system to train with intention, because training without measuring is guessing, and measuring is progressing. Train with intention. Measure your progress and let the data speak for itself.